Using Spotify gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add credit to your account for music streaming. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Locate your gift card. Find your Spotify gift card and check for the unique code on the back. You may need to scratch off a protective layer to reveal the code. Step 2. Log into your Spotify account. Open the Spotify app or visit the Spotify website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 3. Go to the redeem page. Navigate to the Spotify gift card redemption page. This can typically be found in the account settings or by searching for redeem gift card on the Spotify website. Step 4. Enter the code. Input the unique code from your gift card into the designated field on the redemption page. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm and enjoy. After entering the code, click the redeem button. Once confirmed, the credit will be added to your account, and you can start using it for your Spotify subscription or purchases. Now you're ready to enjoy your Spotify experience with added credit from your gift card.